Hey, what's up guys, it's Marla Khan here. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys Java constructors of object-oriented programming. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, what are Java constructors of object-oriented programming? So basically Java constructors are like special methods that are run by objects. So like for example, we set name and age. And then in another class called the displayer, we're gonna like display the name and age. But in this class, we're gonna use the constructor to just apply the like the name and age. And then here we're gonna tell the Java what age is it gonna be, like 12, or what name is it gonna be, like Omer or something like that. So isn't that fun, guys? So let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna start off by applying the names. So we're gonna write, or the variables, we can say. So string, we can say age. Alright, so string age. Now, once we have done doing that, we can create the constructor. So how do we create the constructor? So just do what I do. So public, and then we're gonna write the class name. So your class name should be person. If you want to do the same code as me, or you can also do like other variants, like the same type of code, but like like school, teacher, or whatever you would like. So public person. Now we're gonna write string name. Oops, I made a mistake here. So basically the mistake was I put int string age instead of int age. The age can't be string, right? It should be int. So that's why now we're gonna write int age, because age is a number, not a text. Okay, now we're gonna write this dot name. So what would like this dot name is equals to name do? Well, basically this dot name will tell the Java like the name that we created in the person class, like in the constructor, like we're applying it, is equals to name. And then we're gonna do this, the same thing for the age. So this age that we created here is equals to the age of here. Alright, now we're gonna write public void display. So what would that do? Well, basically you will soon figure that out, or maybe shall I say it? Alright, so this display will basically be useful in the displayer class later. Okay, so public void display. Now we're gonna display the age and the name, right? So we're gonna write system.out.println. Then we're gonna write double quotation marks. Then we're gonna write the oops, what happened here? Okay, so we're gonna write my name is Umer. Good. My name is, oh sorry, wait, my name is, then we're gonna write plus name. Okay, so what is the error here? Void is an invalid type for the variable display. Public void display. Oh yeah, so I totally forgot. So basically you like the public void display, you gotta add it after the curly braces, like the curly braces of the constructor. So like after this, or else if you put it like inside of these curly braces, like inside of the body of the constructor, it wouldn't work. It will say like, I don't know, void error or something like that. So to avoid that, we should put the curly brace and remove the extra curly brace here. Okay, now we're gonna write system.out.println once again. But now we're gonna write something else. We're gonna write, guess what? The age. So my age is, then we're gonna write the place. So this whole class and this whole constructor is basically like preparing for the next step of the displayer class. Now we've done doing this, but still, like, might be wondering like, Java doesn't know the age and the name, right? So like how like it wouldn't print nothing, right? And yeah, it would print nothing, right? And yes, you would be right because we haven't defined the age and name. So let's go to the displayer class. Now we're gonna write new person. So person1 is equals to new person, and then here we're gonna write string person. Okay. Oh yeah. So here we're gonna write the inside of the double quotation marks. We're gonna write the name. So basically, my name is Omer. Then we're gonna write comma the age. So my age is 12. Is undefined. Change constructor public persons. Wait a minute. Person1 is equals to new person. Create constructor person1. Oh, okay, guys. So I know the error. So basically, I made this error here, which is I put the double quotation mark. So instead, we gotta put it like this: Omar and then 12. So now I'm just gonna remove this. So now, guys, as you can see, we have already like defined the name and age. Now here, we've actually put the values of it. So like Omar and 12. So once we run this code, let's see what it's gonna print together. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. It's gonna print my name is Omer and my age is 12. And as you can see, guys, this program was very simple. So basically it's using inheritance here. So the it's not using inheritance, sorry, but like it's basically using the person1 class to display the results Omer and my age 12. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, that was it. Have a nice day. Bye.